What is MindWindow? MindWindow is a psychological research app developed at the University of Arizona. MindWindow runs on both Android and Apple iOS phones and is aimed at helping to develop a large, diverse database of how we think. Is there a connection between certain psychological characteristics and the way that we think about our experiences? Do particular aspects of thinking have a tendency to group together to form styles of thought? Can patterns of thinking serve as an indicator of mental health? These are just a few of the questions that the MindWindow project will attempt to address. After setting up MindWindow, users receive notifications at random times throughout their waking day. These check-ins ask users to answer questions such as how they're feeling, how aware of their thoughts they are, and how much of their recent thinking applies to themselves versus others. After completing a number of check-ins, users can view statistics about how they tend to think and can track those changes over time, all while contributing to scientific research in psychology. We hope you'll be a part of this exciting project. From everyone at the MindWindow team, we look forward to your help in better understanding the ways that we think